Fifth wheel camping is great family fun, and if you tow with a GM truck, PullRite's 4500 SuperGlide hitch fits 2020 GM trucks with the OE prep package. Installation starts with removing the puck covers in the truck bed and placing the brass washers on the two front pucks. Next, line up the hitch on the brass washers until it seats on the pucks. Now insert the mounting posts on the driver's side. The one with the thicker cross pin goes towards the tailgate. The passenger side posts don't have washers because of the adjustable plates. Loosen the bolts and adjust these plates to help the post drop in easily. Tighten the castle nut on the post until a snug fit is achieved, and then advance the nut to the closest slot. Place a cotter pin through the castle nut and bend out the cotter pin to prevent this adjustment from slipping. Repeat this process for all of the mounting posts. Slide the bail pin through the post handles on both sides. Tighten the adjustment plates on the passenger side. Replace the hitch plate and secure with pins and clips. That's all it takes to install the 4500 SuperGlide. Now you're ready for the hookup and ready to tow with a 100% American-made automatic sliding hitch that's rated for 24,000 pounds and will move the trailer away from the cab every time you make a turn. The SuperGlide 4500 by PullRite lets you enjoy safe and worry-free towing with your GM short bed truck.